Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, April 5th, 2016. Take a look at this chart, guys. Again, you can see this is Home Depot. What I want to draw your attention to is one of the best signals of a top and pullback that really will ever occur in a chart. And what you can see clearly here, and this is the intraday chart, we're going to go to the daily in a second, but look at the gap up yesterday and look at the reversal, then the consolidation sideways, and then what this basically causes is a reversal day on the daily chart. And again, a reversal day by itself is okay, but the key is this is occurring at the basically all-time highs on Home Depot. And when a reversal day like that occurs on Home Depot or any chart at the recent or multi-year highs, that is a significant sell signal. What it basically tells you is that the average investor was buying up here and institutions just sold right into them. The big boys, right? The big boys just selling right into it. So again, beautiful little sell side action. The institutions usually sell early in the morning, and that's because there's more volume there. Again, look at the volume down here on an intraday basis. And then once the volume lightens up, they can't continue to sell because they'll crush the stock, and obviously they're not out of the position yet. Now look at today what happened. Early in the day, they let it float up and then just sold right into it, and this is what we call a retrace inside of that reversal candle, which is a beautiful entry on a short position. So really, when you get a topping tail on a chart or a reversal like you did on Home Depot yesterday, you look for the next day to see a reversal. Okay, so sure enough, reversal back up here. You short it right up here as it retraces. What we like to look for is a 50% retrace, which is what you got here. And then you see this thing start to head down. If you look at the daily chart, it's even more crystal clear here. Take a look at this. So here was your gap up. Notice the double top high, how it pierced that on the gap up. And that's very important, folks. That is very important because it pierced on an opening basis, but could not close above that level and reversed, and that's again a beautiful reversal day. Then notice how today's price action went up and retested that same high and again is pulling back. This is telling you that Home Depot essentially has reached its height in the short term, in the near term, and it should pull back. I'd say there's about an 85% chance of a significant pullback. Short-term pullback level is going to be right here. This is going to be your target, 127. See the pivot high here? All these little consolidation before the breakout. That's going to be your retrace. 50 MA will slope up into it over the next few days. All right, so again, this is very simple analysis, but most average investors and traders just don't know how to do this. These are some of the best signals that put you on the right side of a trade. And that's why, again, if you look at our track record, if you go to the Research Center page under Investor Trade Alerts on our website, InTheMoneyStocks.com, you can see our track record. At the bottom, there's a button that says Track Record. And that's why we consistently are making literally, 50 to 100% a year on our portfolios, blowing away hedge funds, which, by the way, are negative for the year and negative last year. They were basically flat last year to negative. This year, they're already negative. But bottom line is, finding setups like this are just so freaking beautiful. So I encourage you all, come to InTheMoneyStocks.com, guys. This is where it's at. Join us. Take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center. Again, InTheMoneyStocks.com is the website. If you go to the website, you'll see Investor Trade Alerts. Put your mouse over it and go down to the Research Center. And there's where you can take your 7-day free trial. Take a look at the track record. At the bottom of that page, there's a button that says Track Record. Pull it up. See what we trade. We trade mostly large caps and mid caps, a few small caps here and there when the opportunity arises. And really, whatever's in motion, we'll be trading. All right, guys, take care. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com.